Pizza is a popular dish that originated in Italy. The word pizza is believed to have come from the Latin word pinza, which means flatbread. The ancient Romans are known to have eaten flatbreads with various toppings, but the modern version of pizza as we know it today is credited to the people of Naples, Italy. According to popular legend, pizza was first made in 1889 when the King of Italy, Umberto I, and Queen Margherita visited the city of Naples. The Queen was reportedly not impressed with the local cuisine and asked for something different. A local chef named Rafael Esposito was asked to prepare something for the Queen, and he came up with a dish that combined the colors of the Italian flag: red, tomato; white, mozzarella cheese; and green, basil. The dish became known as Pizza Margherita, and it is still a popular choice on pizzeria menus today. Pizza gained popularity in the United States after World War II, when soldiers returning from Italy brought their love of the dish with them. Today, pizza is enjoyed all over the world and is available in a wide variety of styles, including thin crust, thick crust, stuffed crust, and more. It can be topped with a variety of ingredients, from traditional toppings like pepperoni and mushrooms to more unique options like pineapple and shrimp. We head into the kitchen to see how Domino's makes its famous crust and how it turns into a delicious pizza. Domino's Pizza is a global pizza delivery company founded in 1960 by Tom Monaghan and his brother James in Ypsilanti, Michigan, United States. The company is named after its original delivery location at 912 Detroit Street in Ann Arbor, Michigan, United States. The first Domino's Pizza franchise store opened in 1967, and the company eventually became the largest pizza chain in the world. In the 1980s, Domino's Pizza began offering a wider range of menu items, including pasta, sandwiches, and chicken wings. The company started using technology to improve its operations, including a computer system that could track orders and a GPS system for delivery drivers. In 1998, Domino's Pizza went public and began expanding internationally. Today, the company operates in more than 85 countries and has more than 17,000 stores worldwide. Domino's Pizza is known for its fast delivery and use of technology, including the ability to order online and track the status of orders through its mobile app. Let's see how Domino's makes their famous pizza pies. Domino's pizza crust is made using a combination of flour, water, salt, and yeast. The flour is mixed with the salt and yeast to form a dough, which is then kneaded until it becomes smooth and elastic. Once the dough has been prepared, it is left to rise for a period of time to allow the yeast to work its magic and create a light, airy texture. Most Domino's pizzas are made with a factory-made crust that is shipped to the store. The crust is made at a facility and then frozen before it is shipped to the store, where it is thawed and used to make pizzas. Some Domino's locations may offer a handmade crust option, but this will vary by location. After the dough is risen, it is rolled out and placed in a pizza pan or on a pizza stone. The edges of the dough are then gently pressed to form a rim, which helps to hold the toppings in place. The crust is then ready to be topped with your choice of sauce, cheese, and other toppings. There are many different types of cheese that can be used on pizzas. Each type has its own unique flavor and texture. Mozzarella is a classic pizza cheese that is known for its mild, slightly tangy flavor and creamy texture. It's made from cow's milk and has a high moisture content, which makes it soft and pliable when melted. According to the company's website, Domino's uses 100% real mozzarella cheese made from cow's milk. The cheese is shredded and then placed on top of the pizza before it is baked in the oven. In addition to mozzarella, Domino's also offers other types of cheese as toppings, such as cheddar, feta, and Parmesan. Customers can choose to have any combination of these cheeses on their pizzas, or they can opt for a cheese-free pizza if they prefer. Before being baked, the topped pizza is placed in a hot oven to cook the crust and melt the cheese. The baking time will vary depending on the size and thickness of the crust, as well as the type and amount of toppings used. Once the pizza is baked to perfection, it is cut into slices and served hot. In 2009, Domino's Pizza underwent a major overhaul of its menu and brand image. One aspect of this overhaul was a complete reformulation of the company's pizza crust. According to Domino's, the new crust was developed after the company conducted extensive consumer research and found that the majority of customers wanted a crust that was softer and more flavorful. To achieve this goal, Domino's reformulated its crust recipe to include more butter and a special blend of herbs and spices. The new crust was also made with a higher protein flour, which helped to give it a softer, more tender texture. In addition to the changes to the crust recipe, Domino's also introduced several new crust options, including a thin crust and a gluten-free crust. These new crusts were designed to appeal to customers with specific dietary needs or preferences. The overhaul of Domino's pizza crust was part of a larger effort by the company to revamp its menu and appeal to a wider range of customers. The new crust was well received by customers and helped to boost sales for the company. They also launched this new expedition by giving out many free pizzas. I remember when this happened. I used to hate Domino's Pizza. I gotta say, I can't hate them anymore. Another innovation by the Domino's chain was their now famous Domino's Pizza Tracker technology. The Domino's Pizza Tracker is an online tool that allows customers to track the status of their order in real time as it is being prepared and delivered. When a customer places an order online or through the Domino's app, they are given the option to track their order using the Pizza Tracker. The Pizza Tracker works by displaying the various stages of the order process, including order placed, preparation, quality check, out for delivery, and delivered. As the order moves through each stage of the process, the Pizza Tracker updates to reflect the current status. Customers can access the Pizza Tracker by logging into their Domino's account online or through the app. They can also choose to receive notifications via email or text message as the order progresses. It's a fun and exciting way to keep an eye on how your meal is being prepared and when it will arrive to eat and enjoy. In addition to providing updates on the status of the order, the Pizza Tracker also includes an estimated delivery time and the option to contact the store directly if there are any issues or concerns with the order. The Pizza Tracker is a convenient and easy-to-use tool that helps customers stay informed about their orders and ensures that their pizza is delivered hot and fresh to their doorstep. Pizza is an incredibly popular food around the world and is consumed by people of all ages. According to a survey conducted by the International Pizza Association in 2021, approximately 3 billion pizzas are sold each year in the United States alone. This equates to about 350 slices per second, or about 46 slices per person per year. There are many factors that contribute to the popularity of pizza, including its convenience, versatility, and the fact that it can be customized to suit individual preferences. It is also a relatively inexpensive food, making it accessible to people of all income levels.